Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilongki khubor bamta kasngi. Kaseng United Democratic Party hine kala sngi ublai kala penbenai ka kerteng jengki arngut ki kertong ki banya kun ki election natura. U General Secretary ke UDP u Dr. Jemino Mautho ula penbena ba u John Leslie Sangma u balong u MLA barim on yakun na South Tura constituency bar ka Dr. Pilne A Sangma na North Tura constituency na kaseng UDP ha ka election MLA arajar arpulai. Ya kini ki arngut ki kertong lapen kup buram do president ke UDP ba met ba lingdo haringkan ke jingye don lang u working president ba TW Khan u MLA ke UDP ba kermen shela bat kiwe uba met ba uloong hakawat ka baningkong ke UDP ke lapen benai ke kerteng jengki lai pu arngut ki kertong ki banyakun election hakawat ka baningkong bat mentah ba kelum lang baro ki kertong ki ban aireng na ke UDP ki long lai saungun. U President ke UDP ulo ong shen ke seng kan sebenarnya saya ke kerteng jungkit sangut ki MLA ki banwan penyesok no bar ke UDP. Ulo ong ke UDP kan om yate long bar kinu ki seng ha ke jingya kunnya ke election MLA ar hajar ar pulai bar ukmi lenti baki pat ba kin penjob iki kertong ke UDP banyo yalam ya ke sorkar.
The State Election Committee has sat and today we have approved two more candidates from West Garo Hills. Two very prominent faces from West Garo Hills. One is former MLA and former MDC, Mr. John Leslie Sangma, who will be contesting from 51 South Tura. And then another name is Dr. Pilne Sangma. She is a member of the UDP. She'll be contesting from 50 North Tura. Earlier, she had also contested as an independent in the Assembly elections 2018. And she also contested in the District Council elections in the year 2019 from Tura. So we have these two names whom the State Election Committee has selected today. We have also a number of other names from different constituencies of Garo Hills and also from Khasi Hill. But we will have to wait for the announcement of these, of these aspirants from the different constituencies. So without further ado, I would like to call upon our respected President, Shri Medbat Lingdo, to please do the honor and to felicitate these two candidates who will be contesting from South Tura and North Tura constituency. So first of all, I would like to call Mr. John Leslie Sangma from 51 South Tura. John Leslie Sangma, as I've said, who will be contesting from 50 North Tura. She contested the MLA election in 2018, contested MPC election also in 2019. We wish you all the best. Dr. Pilne, John Leslie.